One of the, I think, biggest mistake is to think that the child with a urological problem is a young adult. Pediatric urology is a specialty which is dealing mostly with problems which are specific for a child.
You might imagine that children were just smaller versions of what went wrong in adults, but that's not the case. The types of problems which occur in adult urology are totally different from the types of problems which occur in pediatric urology.
In pediatric urology, major component of the children all over the world are those who are born with some developmental defect of their kidneys. The tubes taking urine from the kidney to the bladder, or the bladder is diseased, or the passage from bladder to the exterior when they pass urine, that is disease. Either there is some obstruction, blockage, or there is abnormal formation of the phallus and the sites, different genital sites, genital defects.
There is no statistic. There has never been a concept of pediatric urological service in the country. Actually, the children and the adult, they were seen together. So you can imagine how much concentration can be done. For the first time in this country, this pediatric urology unit has been created. About 9 years ago now. Otherwise, we also used to see these cases along with the adult patient.
हमारे यहाँ जो सबसे बड़ा मसला आता है वो अफोर्डेबिलिटी का आता है. जो पढ़े लिखे डॉक्टर हैं वो इतने महंगे हैं कि वो एक्सेसिबल नहीं है, और जो बाकी जो उस कीमत में एक्सेसिबल हैं वो आई एम सॉरी लेकिन उनकी नॉलेज बहुत लैकिंग है.
अभी भी यही होता रहता है कि पता नहीं इसका सही हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा, लेकिन कहते हैं कि ये सही हो ही जाएगा, लेकिन माँ का दिल यही होता है कि बस बच्चा सही हो जाए. बस चाहे लाखों का हो, करोड़ का मसला भी हो, इस बच्चे से बढ़कर हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं है.
And I'm impressed by the efforts that the families will make in order to secure this. For example, on my last visit here, a child came who, from the SWAT area, was unable to exit SWAT into mainland Pakistan because of the problems at the time. The only way to get here was to go into Afghanistan, travel down to Kabul, then down to Quetta, and then come from Quetta to Karachi to see us here at SIUT. Took them 4 days.
एहसास था ना, अभी हम 4 पैसे हम इधर आए. एहसास तो था नहीं, बच्चा है ना अभी. एहसास किसको नहीं, गरीब हम, पहले गुंजाइश नहीं थी मेरी. मैं एक ही करने वाला हूँ, भाई माई और नहीं है हमारा. गरीब था ना, गुंजाइश नहीं थी. अभी कराची में रोजी करिया अभी लेके आया.
ये स्टेट neglected है, and they cannot have access to the even to the basic treatment of facilities for screening. और जो middle class, upper middle class है, they simply out of sheer neglect and not fully educated and informed.
But in order for that to happen, the parents have to recognize it, understand that surgery can treat it, and be prepared to take them to a surgeon who is competent to do it.
The best thing is to pick them early, provide them best of treatment at an early stage, so that they can go into the outside world like any other normal children, and lead normal life, go to school, can have good education, have their normal sexual life, can get married, have children, and then play, swim, whatever they want.
In Pakistan, you have problems discussing even incontinence or a minor penile abnormality because the population is not used to those types of conversation. And I'm sure that television is an immensely powerful media for subtly introducing these concepts to a very wide audience very easily.
अगर आपका बच्चा उसकी उम्र के हिसाब से ग्रो नहीं कर रहा है, बढ़ नहीं रहा है, पैदाइश पे आम तौर पे एक बच्चे का वज़न 3 किलो होता है. 6 महीने की उम्र तक उसका जितना बर्थ वेट है, पैदाइश पे जो वज़न है उसे डबल हो जाना चाहिए. 1 साल की उम्र में 3 गुना हो जाना चाहिए. अगर ये वज़न नहीं बढ़ रहा, खुदारा ये चीज़ें लाइट ना लें।
Who is coming with renal failure, if the cause of renal failure has been presence of a stone which has blocked the passage, so you need a physician, a surgeon, a radiologist, ultrasound, a pathologist, everybody, an anesthetist, so everybody has to be there. So if I just say that ultrasound will be done in XY place and X-ray will be done somewhere else and anesthetist will come and see him tomorrow, then I'm not doing service to the patient. My result will be horrible.
That has to be provided by the government, the hospital, by health department, to everybody, because every child has this right to have the high quality treatment whether they can afford it or not.
उम्मीद तो ये पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ा लिखा सिखाऊंगी इसको। अल्लाह पाक ने इसको इतना तकलीफ दे दिया, बस कोई मसला नहीं, ये हमें आजमाइश दिया।